Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here, and this is Lucky Tuesday. Our Monday did not get us anything, but this Lucky Tuesday is very good. Transfer from National Thursday, National and Thursday, and then the Lucky Tuesday itself. The confirmations are many, but I don't know if I should show all of them, or because if it's like that, all of them are good, but you may not know which one to stake. Here is the first one in National. We are in National 1976, in the year 1976. First, you see that 7 play at the last position, 7 at the last. Following week, is supposed to repeat and play with 40. That one is something that it usually does. He plays several times there. 7 repeating and playing with the 40. So that one is just a confirmation. Playing with the 40 though. But that is not what we are using this time around. If you come to this event, that is the first one I show is at event 713. But this one also starts from event 713. They play 70 in machine. Following week, the 70 will come out to play at 77 play at machine. Following the 77 will come out and play at winning with 45. So you see, this is the 77. The 77 will come and play at winning with 45. This is machine to winning plan. So you see that following week, the 77 will repeat, play with 60 and then 38. The 77 will repeat, play with 60 and then 38. So you see, a play 77, 77 will repeat, will come out from the machine to winning. Then he play here, he play with 45. Then those three numbers, these are our three numbers, 7, 38, 60. Those are the three numbers this time around. And if you come down to, you still see that the 7 play at position again. So the 7 is position plan. 7 at last position is supposed to repeat, play with the 38. You see that this is the first one, he play with 40. This one also play with the 40 though, but it's the 38. That is why I'm showing this one. So you can see it at the same position, he repeat and play with 38. Here it's not at the position, but I play with 45. It's supposed to repeat and play with this number 60, 38, and then 7. Those are the three numbers. Now let's move to another confirmation again. That one is also in the National. That is 2006. In the year 2006, it starts from event 2276. 2276. So you can see the 7 play in machine again. Following week, he come out to play at winning at the last position. So it's at 8 position again. So following week, the 7 will still repeat and play with the 38. The 7 will repeat and play with the 38. So it's just like this one that is playing the three numbers. 7. The 7 will come out, play with 45. Then the 7 will repeat and play with the 38. It's just like that. So we move from there, from the National. I'm using the one in the Thursday. That is the main reason why I'm showing the National one first. So in the Thursday fortune, if you can remember this one in Thursday, this particular plan in Thursday, that they also play here, they play 7 with 23. 7 with 23. If you come to how do you call it, in the Lucky Tuesday too, you see that the 23 play with 7. Then they play 90 in machine. The same thing is here. 23 with 7. Then they play 90 in machine. So following week, you see that the 7 will repeat and play with the 38. Here is even also playing with the 40 also again. If you remember the one we used in the Thursday before they played this, I used this one as the confirmation, and I used the National one, and then they played the 7 and then the single 3 on this one. So now we are here at Thursday's current. This is the event that I'm using. This is the event that I'm using. But before that, this one is also playing 2 numbers, and the 77 still repeat on it. You can see the one that I played the last time. You can see at event 844, they play 77 with 30. So following week, the 77 repeat, play with single 3. That's what I'm saying. Like this particular plan, the confirmations are many. Okay, there are many. And the 77, if you repeat, it plays with a lot of numbers. This one is the one that I play with a single 3. If you notice, you see the 77 play with 30 here. This one, the 77 play with 23 before the 77 repeat and play with the single 3. This one also before I repeat and play with single 3. So when you watch current here too, you see 77 play with 30, 77 play with 23. So I don't know if the 30 is also going to 10 single 3. So the 77 single 3 is also good to play as too short on its own. But this is the event that I am using for Lucky Tuesday. This particular one, it starts from event 832 in the Thursday paper, the one in the Thursday fortune paper. They play 11 at 4th position. Following week, then they play 38 in machine. You can see the 38 in machine. So from the 38 you count 1, 2, 3. Then they play 31 also in machine. Following week, the 38 will come back. So as they play in machine, then at each winning, it's machine to winning plan. So you can see in each winning, they play 77 at last position. 77 at last position. So following week, the 77 will repeat, play with the 60, and then the 38 will come back to join it. Here is the thing. This 38 will come out and play at winning. Then the 77 will repeat to play with the 60. So you can see 66 also repeat on the event. Those are the reasons why I'm using this one instead of those ones in the national. If you check the one in the national, you will see there is 3 numbers like that is playing. The one in the national here, you can see the event is playing the same 3 numbers, 77. The 77 will repeat, play with 38 and then 60. The same 3 numbers that is in the Thursday one here, the 77, 38 and 60. This is the event I'm using. I can use that one and I can use this one, but this particular one, this one that I'm using here, the reason why I'm using it is this 82 here. 82 is a full banker on its own, and then the 66 repeating is also a full banker on its own. So I will show you the 82 why it's a banker and the reason why I'm using this particular event. Let's go straight to the Lucky Tuesday paper itself. Then you see the same thing that I've just shown is also here. This one is going up. So you can see they play at event 850. They play 55. Following week, 11 and 77 play. 77 at last position. Then they put 90 in machine. If you want to check the same thing is here. 55, 11 and then 77. Then they put 90 in machine. It's the same thing. But this one is going up. You can see that the 77 at the last position supposed to repeat and play with the 60, just like the ones I've already shown. So 77 60 is also a too short on it. 77 supposed to repeat and play with the 60. So the reason why I'm using the Thursday one, the Thursday event, is because of this particular plan here. There is a plan here that is very, very good, but I'm not using it. I'm using the 77 repetition plan. If you want to stake, you can PERM this event. You can PERM this event also. You can see they play single 5. Then they put 77 under it. Then he play 57 in machine. So following week, you see 82 is a picking on that event that they play 55. They play single 5, 77, then 82. At the same time, you will see that this single 5, if you add it to this 77, is going to give you addition 82, and that is the 82. That is the 82. If you come to current, it's the same thing that they do. Single 5, 77 under it, then 57 in the machine. So this single 5 double 7 supposed to give us addition 82. Addition 82. So 82 supposed to play. So that is the main reason why I'm using that event. So you can see the Thursday's confirmation. Here is it 11. That is the 11 at fourth position. Then following week 38 will play in machine. Then 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 31 will play. So as the 31 play, the 38 will come back to machine again. Then double 7 will play at the last position. So following week, the double 7 will repeat a full banker. 38 will come and join it to give us double 7, 38 too short with the 60. Double 7, 38, 60 as our 3 numbers. So the event that we are using is this particular event in the Thursday fortune paper in the year 2023. That is event 837. 837. And numbers on the event are double 6, 38, 82, 60, and then double 7. Event 837. Numbers on the event double 6, 38, 82, 60, and then double 7. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using. Double 7, full banker, 60 with 38 to give us our 3 main numbers. Hopefully we get our wins like that. Bye for now.